Okay, hello everybody, and this is a very quick reintroduction, and it's been a while. The last YouTube we did was at Christmas at home with the Fishers, but yes, we are safe, we are well, and I just thought I would give you my YouTube followers a long overdue update, and I'll just start back here. Well, we moved house, as you probably all know, to the Derbyshire countryside, and we live in a little village, and I've condensed my wood turning workshop, which was a double integral garage, into a single garage, and all the cabinets and cupboards have been donated, well, bar a few, have been donated by Howdon's Joinery. They had a branch in Ashbourne, and they graciously donated all this sort of stuff that you can see. Amazing, £1,000 worth. Thank you so very much. So yes, a quick tour. Obviously, cabinets up and down. I've got a blind plinth on there, so I can assemble stuff on here or clean my airbrush, and I won't knock things on the floor. There's a supply of bowl blanks that I got from Nash Woodcraft, about a 13-minute drive from here. Absolutely amazing. So I've been getting things going, got my first aid kit over there, and I know this workshop intimately already. It took me 2 weeks to get all the cabinets in, and pretty much everything as you see it here. So selection of tools, more cabinets. I won't show you inside all of the cabinets, but you know, I've got storage space and then some for pretty much everything. Some things I'm not bothered about leaving out and exposed, but that huge wardrobe wouldn't fit upstairs. The movers tried to dismantle it, but it was glued together as well, glued and screwed, so we are selling that. So cabinets there. There's a drawer pack round the back, and that's my Tormek station, which is back there. But I've just moved the Tormek a bit more accessible to that wardrobe's gone. More units over there, just some toolboxes and stuff over there. Kosh cabinets for flammables. My old cabinets, which obviously we brought, and then we've got my sort of like pen station here. So my old hobby lathe drills pen blanks out. That's set up to do that, and then just step over around the side, turn the pen, and then I've got my much loved and trusted MIDI trade lathe 1416 VS. So if anyone in the future ever wants to book me for a demo in person, that's what I'll be using. Over there, trusty little bandsaw there. That will be going down at that end when the cupboard's gone. Dust distractor there, and then I've got my new, I'll just close this, sorry, not close, the reverse of close, open this and show you. This came at the start of the week. Axminster AT406WL trade lathe with, it's on the floor there under that box, the bed extension, and the bed extension can be mounted either there to lengthen the distance between centres, or if you can see the holes lower down on the legs, you can mount it lower down. The bed extension comes with an extension pole for the tool rest, so you can turn up to 30 inches off the end of the lathe. Obviously you'd remove the tailstock, slide the headstock. It's a sliding and swiveling headstock. Move it down here, bada bing bada boom, and you could do some big turning. So I thought I would share that with you. You catch my fire extinguisher. They're all requirements of your RPT, that your workshop has fire extinguisher, first aid kit, etc. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. Hope you're great. I'm going to go in now and have some lunch. I'm bloody starving. Anyway, big love everyone. Great to be back. Bye.